Hello, I am back to talk about onions today, and there are so many of them. So, onions actually are really good, especially right now in the cold and flu season, as they have anti-inflammatory properties that can support you when you have the cold or the flu. They also have properties that help against cancer and diabetes, as well as prevent against stroke and coronary artery disease. So, I brought four, but they're about 40, probably between farmers markets and grocery stores that you will find. This one is the one that you most likely have seen and used before, the yellow onion or Spanish onion. It's mostly used for cooking. Then you have a shallot. The shallot is a little bit more spicy, but it's sometimes when you cut it small, really nice in a dish like a salmon a salad. And so if you chop it up nicely there, that would work really well. The red onion is mostly used in salads, but you can cook with it as well. The beautiful thing about the red onion is that it's sweeter in taste and a little bit milder. And then I also brought a leek. I actually cook a lot with leeks. Again, a little bit milder and sweeter, but different sweetness to the red onion. And I use it a lot for cooking for soups. And if you hang around for just a couple of days, I will put out a video on how to use the leek and how to prepare it. So I hope this was helpful. As usual, let me know if you have any questions.